Today we are doing lesson 16, even and odd numbers. So you guys should already know what an even and an odd number is, but we're going to talk deeper about that today. So what is an even number? There are many different things we could say. We could say that an even number is divisible by 2. An even number is a number ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And you could also say all multiples of 2. Okay, now it wants us to list some examples. So the obvious one is 2. We could say 100. We could say 50. Wow, that bell seemed really long today. Okay, so that 5 is odd, but we're not looking at the 5, we're looking at the 0. We're looking at the 1 in the ones position, and that 0 makes it even. Okay, 26. So lots of different things. An odd number. So it cannot be divided by 2. And numbers ending, so their one spot is 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. And numbers that are not multiples of 2. Okay, so 1, 23, and 101. Just a few odd numbers. Okay, so now we're gonna talk about what happens when we add 2 even numbers and what happens. If we add 2 even numbers, do we always get an even number? So let's try this. If I do 2 plus 4, so 2 and 4 are even. What's 2 plus 4? 6. Okay, let's try something bigger. Let's do 24 plus 8. So 24 plus 8 would be 32. And let's do a last one. 14 plus 2 equals 16. So I have all even numbers that I'm adding together. And the sums, are they all even? Yes. Do you think we always get an even number? Well, let's find out. So, why is the sum of 2 even numbers even? So let's think about the problem, 12 plus 14. They want us to draw dots to represent each number. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, okay, so I did 12 in one color, and I'm going to do 14 in a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we've done part A. Part B says circle pairs of dots to determine if any dots are left over. So we want to buddy up the dots. And remember, if they're a pair, that means they're an even number. So everybody needs to have a buddy to be even. Did all of our dots have a buddy? Yes, they did. So, is this true every time two even numbers are added together? Why or why not? So, it is true, so yes, because both numbers are already even. So every number will have a buddy. Because we could have circled this differently to where their buddies were only the same color as them. And that would have still worked. We would have just had different shaped circles. Okay, now, why is the sum of two odd numbers even? Think of the problem 11 plus 15. Draw dots to represent each number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so we drew dots, and now we need to circle the pairs to see if any dots are left over. So make sure all of your dots have a buddy. Did all of our dots have a buddy? Yes. So do you think this will be true every time? Yes. Because I'm going to use this. Okay, so yes, because two odd numbers both would have a left over dot without a buddy. So those two dots would become buddies. So if you're struggling to picture what I'm saying, so if we had 3 plus 3, so let's just circle the ones that are the same color first. So we have, I don't know why that didn't make the line there. So there's a group that's all green and a group that's all blue. And we have one left over of each. And together they make a pair. Okay, why is the sum of an even number and an odd number odd? So let's think of 14 plus 11. So that's a bad dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, now let's buddy them up. Okay, do we have any dots left over? Yes, we have one. Is this true every time an even and an odd number are added together? Why or why not? So, yes, because one even number will have all dots. Why is it not spacing? There we go. All dots paired off, and one odd number will have a dot without a buddy. And when you combine something that has no dots left over with one that does, it's going to have something left over. Okay? What if the first addend is odd and the second is even? Is the sum still odd? Why or why not? So for example, if instead of doing 14 plus 11, we had 11 plus 14, would we still have an odd answer? Yes. So if we do the order different, does it change the answer? 3 plus 2 is 5. Is 2 plus 3 5? Yes. This is the commutative property of addition. This means we will get the same answer despite the order we add in. Okay, so let's sum it up. Even plus even equals what? Even. And even, oh wait, we did odd plus odd equals even. And even plus odd equals odd. So you guys are going to answer these questions. This is just a little exploratory challenge, and they're talking about product now. So you're going to be exploring the product of two even numbers, of two odd numbers, and an even and an odd to see how those turn out. Okay, and then the problem set, it has a mixture, and you're just supposed to, so you are not solving. So without solving, tell whether each sum or product is even or odd, and explain your reasoning. Okay, so